What makes Melbourne so vulnerable to climate change is the rising sea levels and the heat waves, which in terms is the inconsistent temperature. So, with that being said, if business were to go as usual, you would expect a lot of infrastructure damage, impactful droughts, and really just a lot of waste inefficiency. So, the thing about the precedented material from Melbourne and its history is it's usually an engaged, proactive community, and if they're conscious of the movement, they will be everyone will be active in the enrollment of that. So, with that being said, I mean, we're using examples like Regen, Melbourne, where these movements are proactively changing how people can be aware and how people can value some of this environmental change. And so, in efforts to, be more sustainable, you have to always consider some of these variables in urban design, so whatever is developed in Melbourne in the next 30 years, the truth is the urban design is going to be environmentally conscious. So, with that being said, no longer being vulnerable if, increased emissions because of the heat wave. And so, because of the increased emissions, we're aiding that with renewable energy sources. And in that being said, we have everyone being proactive in the community to be renewably safe and environment and energy conscious and so emissions are lower. And so really this is the sustainability movement that Melbourne will be jumping on for the next, few decades.